to show you this little area as I'm still getting used to trying to hold the camera and be able to walk too. So it's a little playground area right here. Oh my, and look at the mess right here. Because I did mention I am out here in the rain, but it's okay. I'll get around it. I didn't expect this much rain. It was only drizzling when I left, guys, but it's okay. I'm just gonna go for a little walk and show you guys around the little area. Like I said, that I brought my youngest son out here to go fishing a lot. And again, there's a little story behind this pond, but it's beautiful. And I'll show you the steps that I just came down. So I came down these little steps right here, and then it goes out to this big beautiful pond, which goes all the way over there. See a little duck right there, and it goes way down and around. So sorry, I'm wiggling. Sorry, the camera was going all over the place. It's rainy and a little wind blowing out here, but let's see how good I do with trying to hold this camera and also walk. Hopefully I'll get better. I know I will. I'll get better in the future with all this camera stuff, but we're going to continue to walk. So I'm on a little trail right now. Look how big. Wow. And I'm going to get to the story in just a minute. I'm trying to get over here to that little, I guess you would call it a little dock. We used to stand on. I have pictures. He's 13 now, and right now he just don't want to be videoed, so I have to respect that. I mean, he just turned a teenager, so yeah, here's the little dock, which I hate when people leave trash out here. It's disgusting. They have no respect. That's why I tell you guys in my other videos that I go out to my favorite place, which I did ride out there. Let me set you guys down. I did ride out there to my favorite place, and they usually open up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, they had the big gates open. Sorry, they had the big gates open, but when you got up to where you pay, the guy says, we're not open until 9 o'clock. After I sat there for 30 minutes, and they see me sitting there. So it took for me to open my door and say, hey, what's going on? You know, I'm sitting here. Oh, well, we're not going to open up for another hour. So I came out here and figured I'd talk to you guys from right here at this pond where I used to bring my son out here again to go fishing. And when it cools down, because I can't be out in the sun, so I'd rather be out here talking to you guys in the rain than the sun because of my condition. So this pond that we're talking about right now, there's a story behind this, and the story is, I was always told that years and years ago, an ice cream truck, not just a truck or a car, but an ice cream truck, had driven down into this pond and supposedly is at the bottom over on this side. Now, clear over this way is baseball fields. Like, clear over this side of the trees are some baseball fields. Again, sorry for the camera. So, he would have had to come from off the fields and down into this pond for the truck to go under the water. And supposedly they never found it or never could get it out. But anyway, that was just a little story on this pond where we used to do a lot of fishing. Woo! Guys, the rain is really picking up. So, look what shoes I have on. Come on now, Kathy. I was literally just going to sit there and talk. And I was like, no. And it really, like I said, wasn't raining this hard. But it's okay. If my feet get a little wet for you guys, it's perfectly fine. So now I'm going to walk. Can we see this? Yeah, we can see the trail this way now. So I'm going to, come on here, get out of my face. So we're going to continue to walk down this trail in the rain. Because like I said, I'd rather walk in the rain than the sun. And let's see. I haven't been here in a long time, so I'm not sure if I'm going to hit any dead ends now or what. Meaning like trees might have fell down, or with it raining it might be some big puddles. Not sure, but let's go see. As you see, the little walkway right here. And Lord only knows what I'm coming up to. Oh, okay. I thought the tree right here was going to be in our way. But it's not. What I was talking about, guys. This right here is what I was talking about. Wasn't sure if I was going to run into this or not. But look at the puddle. So for me to be able to get from here to over and continue on our trail, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, but I know what I can do. I could go up this way on this trail and go around, and if I feel as though it's safe, I could try to come around and come back down to see some more of the pond. But before I walk away from the pond, right in there between the trees are exactly where they said the ice cream truck fell in. So I don't know, guys. Never know. So now we're going to walk up this way, up this little trail right here, on our beautiful rainy day. Looking straight up here, guys. Looks like they planted some trees. That's nice. And then they also have different little trails to get down to the pond. But once again, it's raining. I don't have the right shoes on. And I just wanted to come out here and talk to you guys about my beautiful grandchildren. And hopefully you guys will let me know in the comments if you would like to see some videos of me interacting with my grandchildren, because that's what I do most. Really, that's what I do most, guys. So let me know. Yeah, I still have my little drink here. So look at Mud. The mud, guys. But I needed to get a video out. I really did. I want my channel to grow. And I want to be able to share my life with you guys who want to come on my journey. And I also am going to have change the name eventually. If I get enough comments down there saying, yeah, I think, you know, you putting the grandkids in there with you and showing all the interaction and stuff would be great. I think that's what I might do. I might change the name on my channel and get this channel rolling. So yeah, I'm a stay-at-home grandmother. My mom. I used to run a daycare, which I did only family and friends. So let's continue to walk. I can't wait to hopefully hit that 1,000 subscriber mark, so that way I can introduce hopefully my son, and I'm hoping that my daughter gets in more videos. I believe she may be in a few. I'm not sure that I already have uploaded on here. But if not, I'm going to try to get her to do some. Even if it's like a mukbang, I think that's what it's called. Maybe she'll sit down and do a couple of them with me. You know, it's all about family. So here's what our trail's looking like. Yes, a muddy one, but it's okay. That's what happens when we're out in the woods. Yeah, so but yeah, as we come at the end of this trail, here's some of the baseball fields I was telling you guys about when I was telling you about the ice cream truck. The steps, more water, but I do think I can manage to step over and get on this small trail right here, just enough to take us back over near the pond. And we're not going to be able to go too far. Oh wow, look at that, guys. I must have spooked them. Yeah, see, we're running into more and more water. So I guess I'll stop right here. Okay guys, I made it back to the car. It started raining a little harder than it already was. So yes, hair frizzy, and just sitting here in the car, going to end this video and want to say thank you to everybody who clicked on, watched my video, and hopefully give me some feedback. Give me some comments. Let me know what videos you want to see. And thank you to the subscribers that I have. You know, 60 is better than 14. So I thank each and every one of you. And I hope my numbers keep rising. And I will keep doing my best to put out as much content as I can. And yeah, let's do this journey together. Let's do this adventure together. And just wait for the new channel name. It'll be coming soon. So, thank you.